there's a toy inside here, and now I'm going to show you what's in. I don't think it's one of these because that's from this. Oh, it is one of those. I got it from this piece of Play-Doh. It actually has confetti to make the colors. And there's black, blue, green, red, and orange types of these. So it's from a risk game. Well, it's actually breakfast time for me. So it's late to make a video. Oh, here's a horseman from Risk. There's the same colors from here, the soldiers. And there's also cannon, which has all the colors from the soldiers. Okay. There's also a lightsaber here. Okay, that's enough of slicing.